Good morning, friends. This is my first run of 2026. But today I will have it easy, not to indulge in some hard work, but take it easy and enjoy it. Feel it. Winter days are again here. It's chilly. Today fog is not so much, but you have to manage yourself. You have to layer your clothes accordingly so that you can escape unnecessary cold or whatsoever. So I'm here again. I started my year's first run. Hope it would be nice. Today I want to enjoy this weather, the surroundings. Friends, third kilometer going on. And you know, when you start running, first 2 kilometers, I must say, those take their toll. You feel somewhat hard. And once your body comes into rhythm, then it's everything fine. You have to manage it. If you are going long, you have to take care of your refueling. If it's an easy and short one, having one banana in the morning can serve the purpose. Friends, today I must say that if somebody is a beginner in running, then there are some qualities or some factors which count very much. The first and foremost, I'm not scaring you, but that is, I'm not scaring the beginners, but I'm telling the bitter truth that running has always been hard and painful. You have to give your body some time so that it can adjust itself. So keep in mind that you have to come out of your comfort zone and you have to fight. You have to go through it. You have to feel that pain. And what I'm sure, once you adjust that thing, once you overcome that problem, you will enjoy running. Second, I must say that if you lack patience, if you find excuses for hard work, then this running is not for you, man. You have to be good enough. You have to be smart enough. Though it's not necessary that you start doing hard work, hard sessions, but it takes time. Gradually go for that. And then I must say that to run fast, you have to run slow. You might be thinking what I'm speaking. Fast and slow, both things, yes. In long term, if you want to be a good runner, then keep in mind, run slow. Follow the rule of 80-20%. That is, 80% should be your easy runs, that is in running in zone 2, and only 15 or 20% you can go fast. That's very common principle and very renowned principle which generally beginners start with. So you can follow that thing. Enjoying the run. You don't have to do much now because your body is already warm up and it is in its own rhythm. And the thing which I have to take care is about my body mechanics. That is your footsteps, your hand movements, your body posture, your cadence, how you are breathing. I think in easy run, breathing through nasal is a fine one, is a good technique. Inhaling 2 times and similarly exhaling 2 times. That gives you a boost. Friends, we did 10 kilometers. Overall, it has been nice. But on the latter stage, that is after first half, after 700 kilometers, I start feeling heavy. Might be due to my inner, which is of woolen, and it might have soaked my sweat, and that's why I might be feeling heavy. And it became difficult for me to manage it because my body was somewhat heavy, not so light when I go in my short and in my t-shirt only. But this journey happens. You learn something from every situation. So I have done it, and nice one. Good morning. Fog today is not, there is no fog. Otherwise, previous 2 days fog was very heavy. So friends, enjoy your day, rest, be with your kids as usual, take care of your elderly and do some good deeds.